So Alphabet or Google or whatever it is they're going by nowadays, they beat by $2.65, and then they miss on revenue by $310 million. So very interesting results yesterday. I don't think anybody was anticipating both Alphabet and Amazon to miss on revenue like that. But these top line EPS beats are very, very impressive. So they beat by $2.65. The quarter three GAAP EPS of $13, they topped that significantly. So very good job, that part for Alphabet. Like I said, this should not hurt investors' confidence at all. You know, perhaps we're just going to get a nice little dip in the stock, and you know, you can make your way into Google or Alphabet, whatever you want to call them, if you haven't done so already. And that's you know, and speaking of these two stocks, guys, that is really what I like M1 Finance for, is if you can't afford shares of Alphabet or Amazon on the whole basis, you can buy on the fractional basis. So I found the timing of this article bizarre, and because this story right here, guys, hit maybe minutes before the earnings report came out, and I was going back and forth between looking at Amazon and Google's earnings. But so I just found the timing of this very bizarre. And I didn't really even know how to react to it or how to even think to react to it. But the CEO says Google has terminated 48 employees for misconduct in 2 years. So the article just goes on to read that there was an email sent to employees today in response to the New York Times piece about sexual misconduct at the company. And he says that 48 employees have been terminated for misconduct in the past 2 years. So this must be a real issue at Google, especially in the upper management. But in the email seen by CNBC, it was said that 13 of those were senior managers and above, and none got an exit package. So maybe that's good news, is that they're just firing these guys and getting rid of them, or guys or gals, whomever they are. You know, they obviously don't deserve an exit package if that if that's kind of the underlying sentiment here. I don't really know. And then he goes on to say that there are newer tools employees can use to report harassment or misconduct, or they can report anonymously. So I don't think this news article really had anything at all to do with the stock movement today, but just interesting, very interesting, the timing of you know, it almost seems like maybe they would have waited till tomorrow or something to drop this, but you know, just very oddly timed. So this right here was how the stock reacted, guys. Very, very similar to Amazon. So they gained 4% during the trading day, and they pretty much gave it back in after hours. Now, I'm anticipating the market to open up in the red tomorrow. Hopefully, I'm wrong about that. But between Amazon and Alphabet missing on revenue, the stock pulling back, that is going to create a lot of pressure. Like I said, a lot of downward pressure on the market. So I could see the markets opening up red, but I hope I'm wrong about that. So I've got the lifetime chart pulled up here on Google, guys, and just beautiful chart, beautiful charting. They IPO'd back in September of 2004, and look at this. Google stock used to sell for $50 a share. Unbelievable. And now they're up over $1,200 at one time. Like I said, now they've closed at $1,060 today. So the stock did drop roughly 4% in after hours, like in response to the revenue miss. But as you can see, the lifetime chart on Google is absolutely amazing. You know, this has been one of the greatest investments you ever could have made to buy into Google stock. I'm a Google shareholder, very proud Google shareholder. And this earnings report does not hurt me, bother me, or break my confidence at all. As a matter of fact, I'm going to do an update video on my M1 Finance portfolio, and I will, like I said, I'm fully transparent with it, and I plan on picking up a little bit more Alphabet on this current dip. So, really good beat on EPS. You know, the revenue miss is a little bit disappointing, but again, another great quarter for Google. And I hope to see him at $1,500 a share very soon. But anyways, that pretty much wraps it up, guys. Thanks for watching the video.